Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to make a comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 11 with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a 6.7-inch of Super HDR Retina display, whereas it's going to be having an 87.4% screen to body ratio. It's coming with a 458 ppi density, and it's going to be coming with 1200 nits of peak brightness. Also, the front is protected by ceramic glass shield protection, and there is going to be a true tone color option in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with a 6.8-inch of AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 1500 nits of brightness and 91.4% of screen to body ratio, whereas it's also coming with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection and a 515 ppi of density. It's also supported by in-display fingerprint scanner. In terms of hardware, iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with an Apple A14 Bionic 5nm processor, which is going to be currently world fastest CPU processor currently available in the market, and it's coming with an Apple custom GPU inside, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with a Snapdragon 888 processor, which is also based on 5nm architecture, and it is coming with the Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of operating system, the iOS 14.1 is coming in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is upgradable to iPhone 14.4, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 support inside. In terms of RAM and storage, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with 128 gigs, 256 gig and 512 gigs of storage option, whereas 6 gigs of RAM is present in all three variants, and there is no support for SD card, whereas Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with 128 256 gigs of model with 8 gigs of RAM and 12 gigs of RAM for 256 gigs of model. Also, it is not going to be having any SD card support inside. In terms of camera, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel of telephoto lens on the back side, alongside with a time of flight 3D LiDAR scanner is also present, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with triple camera setup with 108 megapixel of main camera, 13 megapixel of ultra wide and 5 megapixel of macro shooter. In terms of selfie camera, the 12 megapixel selfie camera is going to be present on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has the capability of 4K video recording, whereas a 20 megapixel of selfie camera for Xiaomi Mi 11, which can only record 1080p video recording. In terms of battery, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a 3687 milliamp of a battery capacity with a 20 watt of fast charging support, and there is going to be a magnetic fast wireless charging for 15 watt, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with a 4600 milliamp of a battery capacity, fast charging of 55 watt and fast wireless charging of 50 watt, reverse wireless charging of 10 watt inside. So guys, that is it in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here and stay tuned for the next one.